Welcome to BVR Physics and Chemistry Made Easy. Now our topic is about equations of uniform accelerated motion. Generally speaking, equations of uniform accelerated motion are three types. V is equal to u plus at. This is first equation. Second equation is S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is second equation. And the third one is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Third one. Now we will see the derivation of these three. Before going to that one, you should know what is acceleration. Acceleration, which is represented with A. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. This is what you mean by acceleration. It's rate of change of velocity. First of all, what do you mean by rate? Rate means it is time. Change in velocity, delta V. What is the change in velocity? Velocity is of two types, initial and final. Therefore, V minus U, final minus initial by T. This is what you mean by rate of change of velocity, and it is for acceleration. Therefore, acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. So, cross multiply. V minus U is equal to AT. So, you cross multiplied, okay? Right. Therefore, finally what? V is equal to, you send U to the other side, U plus AT. This is your equation 1. V is equal to U plus AT. Remember? You need the help of this equation. So remember, V is equal to U plus AT. Now we will see second equation. First equation is finished. We derived first one. Okay, now second. Actually, average velocity. Just now we have seen acceleration. Now we will see average velocity. Average velocity is nothing but velocity only. We are speaking of velocity. Is displacement by time. Velocity is displacement by time. What is displacement? Nothing but distance. Displacement, distance, length, height, all this come under the same category, length. Okay, leave it. Displacement is represented with what? S by T. Now coming to this side, average velocity. You have two velocities. One is final velocity V and the other one is initial velocity, which is U. So what is that you are going to do? Average. That means sum by number. So you are going to add these two by number. This is how we do average. Now let us cross multiply. So it is 2s. 2s is equal to V plus U into T. Cross multiply. V plus U into T and these two 2s. Okay, 2s. Right. Now coming to 2s is equal to, you take for example like this, plus U and T. Everything I wrote. What did I miss? I missed V. For what sake? Because we already know V is equal to U plus AT. So why can't we substitute that one? Yes, we can substitute. So let me substitute that here in the place of V. I didn't write V. So V, I am taking that V value here. That is U plus AT. So it is again 2s is equal to U plus U. Within the bracket U plus U is 2U and plus AT it is. U plus U is 2U and AT into T. Therefore again what? 2s is equal to 2U into T. So you are multiplying it 2U with T, which is outside the bracket. So it is 2UT. Okay, plus AT into T. So it is AT square. Now send to the other side, S is equal to, it is 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled and you got the equation S is equal to ut plus half numerical values I separated, that's for at square. This is your equation 2. Okay. Right. Now coming to the third equation. What is the third equation? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. That is your equation here. We will derive this one now. What was your first equation? Do you remember? V is equal to U plus AT. This is your first equation. So bring U to this side, then it is V minus U is equal to AT. So let it be equation 1. Now second one, actually you remember, average velocity is equal to displacement by time. So now let us write down average velocity V plus U by T, average velocity, by 2 average, yeah, is equal to S by T. What is it you want? You need to cross multiply. V plus U into T is equal to 2S. Okay, you don't want T, you want to take only V plus U is equal to send T to the other side, 2S by T. This will be your equation 2. Now multiply equation 1 and 2. So what is for the equation 1? What is on the left side? V minus U. Same equation 2, what is on the left side? V plus U. For the equation 1, what is on the right side? Right side here it is AT. It's AT. For the second one then, it is 2S by T. So this T and T gets cancelled. So your answer is 2AS. Meanwhile, A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So it is V square minus U square. There it is your third equation. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So these are the equations of uniform accelerated motion. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square minus U square is equal to 2AS.